Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You must stop if you are not the owner. Do not attempt bypasses. First, confirm you own the file and gather evidence: device, account name, backups, recovery keys, and purchase receipts. Once done, check for stored passwords in your password manager and recent sync devices. Make sure to note exact file names, creation dates, and where the file is stored. These details will speed legitimate recovery with the vendor or administrator and prevent wasted effort on illegitimate tools. Start the vendor or app recovery workflow immediately: password reset, recovery key entry, or account recovery pages. If the file is encrypted with enterprise controls, contact your IT or admin and present the proof you prepared. They can unlock or restore from policy backups. Make sure to ask support about recovery file decryption options and timelines. Avoid third-party cracking or brute force services. They risk data loss, malware, and legal consequences. Use only verified, vendor-approved methods. Once access is restored, immediately export an unencrypted copy or re-encrypt with a new documented password and rotate related credentials. Make sure to verify file integrity and scan for corruption. If standard recovery fails, request escalation. Vendor compliance, authorized data recovery professionals, or legal channels may help when you can prove ownership. Troubleshooting tip: if support asks for proof and you lack it, pause and gather receipts or backups. Insufficient proof is the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.